Hey guys, if you're wondering from where you can buy socks in NBA 2K26, so actually there are three stores from where you can buy socks, and one of the store is Legend Sports, which you can see just next to our player. If you don't know the location, you can just right here see that this is exactly where you need to come, and you're gonna see this Legend Sports. So once we get inside that, we're gonna get some variety of socks, and like you can just choose the one which you wanna purchase. If I go to accessories, here we have the option for socks. Right here we have four types of varieties: crew socks, quarter socks, strip tall socks, and the last is tall socks. And under that you'll find colors, so whichever you like you can just purchase that from here. Now just next to the Legend Sports shop, you're gonna see the second shop from where you can buy the socks, and it is by the name of State Farm. So just get under this and you'll see couple of more options here as well. So here what you need to do, just again go to accessories. Now here if I scroll, you're gonna see that we have here three types of socks, so you can just purchase them if you like. Now the third store from where you can buy the socks is Puma store. So if you don't know the location, this is the location of the Puma store. So if we get under here, we'll able to see the socks from Puma. Right here we again gonna select the option socks. Here you're gonna see four type of socks and they are quite cheaper. So yeah guys, that's there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.